Welcome back to another Dollar General haul. Today I have some fun spring-y items to share with you. This is from about 3 trips to the Dollar General, and I figured some of this stuff is so cute that I would share it with you. First up, I bought 2 of these solar lights. They were $1 each. Look at the print on those. They're so cute. And I picked up this ice cube tray, this beautiful teal color. And I like to use tablecloths as my backdrops. And they have, every year, DollarTree included, have vinyl tablecloths for $1. So I picked up this print, which I adore, and this peachy print as well. So I have 2 new backdrops for videos. I got some candles. And from True Living, I picked up Wild Strawberry, and this is a soy scented candle, and this smells so good. I also picked up from True Living the Twilight Forest. So it's just scented candle. In their new spring stuff, I picked up Misty Cashmere. What cute packaging. These will make great gifts. And Sea Salt Vanilla. It's $1 each. This was $5, $5. Also got this. This is huge coffee mug, and it has an A on it, and it is dishwasher microwave safe. Very cute. And this also came. The rest of the stuff is from their new spring line. Also the tablecloths, all this, I found that in that aisle. And I picked up this kitchen towel, and this kind of goes right along with the theme of the Pioneer Woman stuff. How adorable. I picked this beautiful floral print bowl. This was $3. It's a serving bowl, and it's plastic. You know, kind of goes along with the floral Pioneer Woman kind of theme as well. You can see where I'm going with this. I love Pioneer Woman stuff. And I think I found some really cute stuff. The last thing I found, also in that spring aisle, and this was $3, and it's a dish drying mat. They had, also in all this stuff, except for the bowls, didn't have any other of their additional prints. They had different prints in the dish towels, cleaning cloths. They had oven mitts, pot holders, all that kind of thing, and all kinds of different prints for spring. And same with the dish drying mat. I got the floral print, though, to go along with my Pioneer Woman theme. Kitchen. A lot of floral stuff. Yeah, that is all the stuff I picked up at the Dollar General. They have lots of really cute spring items this year. I made another trip to the Dollar General because I've been looking for the Newbie Beauty items, and I picked up a few more items, so I'm just going to start this clip in here now. The Kiss Brush On Nail Glue. I have a broken nail. First one in months. After using all the LA Colors products that you will see soon in a nail routine nail care video. But my thumb is broke down into the fleshy part, so that has to be fixed. I thought that I would try these eyelashes. I don't like that they don't have the name of them on the packaging anywhere. They're kind of like spiky, like I like to fool. And they only had one of the new eyeshadow palettes today, and this is the Sultry Sunset. These were $4.50, and the eyeshadow's $5. And this has like beautiful orangey peachy tones with red, some other shades in there. I'm not a fan of their security tacked right on the front of these products, but it's on the front, and there's, well, on some of the other ones it's on the back as well. And I'm still going to be on the hunt for the blue one, so stay tuned for some looks using this little palette here. I have another little few items to add into this Dollar General haul. Still on the lookout for all the new Believe Beauty items. I still have only been able to get my hands on the Sunset one. And I picked up one of these cute little boxes. Has butterflies on it. It says shine every day. I'm going to use this to store some nail polish kind of items in here. I'll show you that in a second. And I got these cosmetic sponges because I've been doing a lot of gradients and ombre kind of fades on my nails. So I picked up another pack of these. These work great for that. And I picked up this very neon, not true to color on camera, nail polish from LA Colors in Posh. It's a very neon bubblegum pink. And I didn't own this one, and it's very pretty, and I have a really awesome nail idea for that. And then, and in the bag was a quilted train case. It's just a quilted makeup bag, and this goes with the new purse that I got. It's really cute. I love this. I'm actually a big fan of Vera Bradley, even though I don't own any more Vera Bradley now except for like a makeup bag, but I've always loved her purses and stuff. So I picked this up for $3. It's actually a pretty decent size case as well. So, and that is it. That's the end of the Dollar General haul for now, until I can find the rest of the Believe Beauty items.